T-Mac here, back for another episode of T-Mac Moto Touring. Like 3 weeks ago, I was doing a 4-hour endurance dirt bike race and came off and I was heading directly for a tree, and instead of hitting it with my body, I've like dived to the side and collected the tree with like my leg, and it's just like pulled my leg apart like a wishbone.
So the medics are evaluating Tani at the moment. Could be serious.
I just think he wants some attention for his YouTube, eh? I reckon that's what it'll be.
Hey.
The knee's probably gone. It's probably got some broken ligaments in there. What can you do but jump on some electric kids drift carts, and hopefully it's not poxy. We're here at Power Play. It's like a little arcade place that has electric go-karts. Catching up with a couple of friends, so let's go check it out. Pretty sick place in here. They've got a little arcade, good place to take the kids, I reckon, if and when they ever come along. I'm not going for speed, I'm just going for maximum drifting. It's not about race times, it's about steez. They've got their little charge stations, so they must have to come in and charge them up for, I don't know how long, 10-15 minutes or something, so they're ready to go for the next one. Alright, we've got the group going just before us. There's a few girls in here that are hanging it out.
Again, if you brake too early or too late, chances are you'll just spin out. That's basically it. Does anyone have any questions?
How many kilowatts do these have?
Well, I couldn't tell you honestly.
How many horsepowers?
Horsepower, more.
Half a pony in there?
Couldn't tell you.
I was gonna punch you there. I just read that.
Oi, settle.
What the hell, dude? You're off already, you loser. Bro, some people.
There's always one.
He brake checked me.
It's gonna be a long day, Dean. Oh, I said you go outside. Yeah, I want to go inside, outside. Put a burner in. As fast as I can. Here we go. Ah! Well, boys, what did we think?
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright?
Yeah, it's alright.
I've been here before.
Yeah, I've been here before. I know, I've done it a couple of times. No, that's good. That's good fun.
What do you think?
That knee must be your accelerating leg, mate, because you're going slow as.
So, you're leading? Bro, I'm going for style points. I'm going for style points. I'm not going for speed. Said that at the start of the video. You weren't there for it, but I did say it. And they actually slide easier than I thought they were going to as well. Especially if you go outside lines.
Yeah.
Like through the chicanes and that.
Every time I got like a lap dialed though, I must have got one good one in. But every time I felt like I had it dialed, I got
Stung?
Yeah, something happened that f***ed it up.
Yeah. It's alright. So they're going to be in our next race as well, and yeah, he comes here all the time.
Yeah.
And he said when it's just those two sometimes racing, they fully turn it up to the max here for him, and he gets to have good fun. So he said that's his lap record.
How do you get him to turn it up?
He's been here a lot. Spend a couple of G's here, you know.
A couple of grand, they'll turn it up for you.
10%.
Alright, Blair, I reckon me and you swap helmets. You take the GoPro, and it's just going to be full drift action from both of us.
We're going to make it Tokyo here.
Yeah, yeah. You know what I mean?
Nah, man.
I'll let you know when I'm coming through.
To do what?
Mark up your drifting.
Look like
Put you in the gravel, mate.
What are you going to do?
I ain't even gravel here, but you got me in it. So you gotta find something.
You won't do anything other than look like a Sesame Street character.
Bruh.
Yeah, boys. Hell yeah. You come here a fair bit, eh, bro? Just a bit. How often?
Like once a week or once every 2 weeks.
Pete's putting freaking new tyres on the Falcon every week.
If these are two strokes, you got to keep them in the power band.
Yeah,
Keep him in the power band. Well, look, that has no relevancy with some electric cars. What do you mean?
If they were two strokes.
If they were, yeah.
They were two strokes.
You can let your two-stroke autism go now.
That's a two-stroke rider.
As a two-stroke rider. Yeah.
How often do you
it's so polarizing, isn't it? Like you're either one or the other.
You're either right or you're wrong.
So 2 strokes are right, and 4 strokes are.
I get done quicker with 2 strokes.
It's all about you, isn't it, Glenn?
All me.
Yeah. That was actually good. These cars are actually funner than I was expecting. I think they do turn them down a little bit. And then if you come here heaps, like our friend with the mullet, outstanding hairstyle, they'll crank it up a little bit. So that's probably why he was going a bit quicker. That's my excuse anyway. Plus being built like a whippet. But yeah, actually a good climb. So you live in Perth, halfway, not bad. What you described there, Matt, is a Scandinavian flick, mate.
Alright.
Yeah. You turn the opposite before you get to the corner and use the weight of the car to start the drift.
I tried.
Probably not.